Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. This video is a world coin hunt which I've designated WCH 24. The first coin is from Poland. We have a crowned eagle, the year and the country name on this side of the coin. It's a 1 grosz coin from 2014. On the reverse you have the value with 1 oak leaf. The mintage for this coin is 86 million. The second coin is from Germany. It's a 1 pfennig coin from 1971. It has a mint mark of G, which is calendar. We have the value with the year and the oak leaves. On this side we have the 1 pfennig, the G for the year, for the place of mint. It's 1971 with the 1 pfennig value, and the mintage is 77,674,000. This coin is from the Netherlands. It's a 5-cent coin from 1997. It has Queen Beatrix on the front, and on the rear we have the value of 5 cents and the year of mintage, which is 1997. The mintage of this coin is 36 million. The next coin is from Serbia, my fault. Serbia. It has the coat of arms from Serbia on the one side. It has a value of 1 dinar from 2002. On the reverse we have the 1 dinar marking, and we have some buildings. I'm unsure what the buildings are. There is no mintage figures for this coin. Next one is the United States. I've not seen many of these in recent months. This is a 1 cent with a Philadelphia mint mark for 1972. It has Lincoln and the year on the front, and on the reverse we have the value plus the Lincoln Memorial. The mintage for this 1972 coin, for this 1972 1 cent, is 2,933,255,000. That's one hell of a mintage. This coin is a 1 marker. You have on it I think it's a club design, I'm not sure. Doesn't look like a club. A club, what I mean by club, I've just looked at my notes again. What I mean by club is it looks like the clubs that you see on cards, like the three-leafed club you get on the coins, on the playing cards. The mintage is 10,022,000. The next one is Juan Carlos I of Spain. This is a 25 peseta coin from 1984. It's from Madrid. There's a crown. On the reverse there is a crown above the value, and right at the bottom is the M, crowned M, which is the Madrid mint mark. The mintage for this 1984 coin is 242 million. Next one is one that I've seen a couple of times just recently in the mintage, in the coin hunts, for the World Coin Hunts. This is a 1 franc coin from 1942. It's from the reign of Leopold III. And on this side here we have the year and the mintage and the value. And on the other side we have the rampant line of Belgium. It's one of the Belgium symbols of that, like the coat of arms. The mintage for this coin from 1942 is 42 million. Next we have one that's just a little bit different. This is a 1 franc coin from the French Empire. It's based out of Morocco, and it was produced during the reign of Yusuf, who was in charge between 1921 and 1920. Is that 4 or 9? 29, I think it is. You have the Arabic writing and the value on this side, and on the obverse you have a star design with flower in the centre, cartouche. There is supposedly 2 of this coin, but I can't find the other one. I do have 2. I have one from 1921 and one from 1924, and I can't find the 1924 one at the moment. The 1921 mintage was 10,302,643, and the 1924 mintage was 3,127,000. I can't find the second coin of those. It's from the French Empire days when... This next one, it does have a hole in it for some reason. I don't know whether somebody had it in through chain. It is a German coin. It's 10 Reich Pfennigs from 1943. It has a D mint mark, and you have the year and the value and oak leaves on this side. On the reverse you have the Nazi German eagle clutching the Nazi symbol. You have a mintage on this coin of 17,303,800. Next one is from Italy, where we have a lady's head on the obverse. Then on the reverse we have the 50 lira coin, where we have where we have the guy at the anvil. Oh, excuse me. This is Vulcan, of course, at the anvil, and it's hot as hell in here today. The mintage for this 1976 coin. Oh, I've also got a 1955 coin as well of the same one. The 1976 mintage is 180,600,000. The 1955 mintage is 70,500,000. This is a Reich Pfennig. Sorry, this is a 50 Pfennig from 1950. You have a lady planting oak saplings on the front. On this, on here, this side, you have a lady planting oak saplings. And on this side you have the value, and you have a mint of G. In the last one, the D on the 10 Reich Pfennigs, I think D is Munich. The 50 Pfennig on this one, which is G, I'm not sure what G is. I'm not sure what the G mint mark is. Still, very nice coin. Next coin I have is a Netherlands coin from 1954. It's a 25-cent coin. It is Queen Juliana, and it's also got the country on the reverse. It's got a crowned value of 25 cents. You also have the year. The mintage for this 1954 coin is 6,400,000. So that's the next one, wrong gross. We have next a Polish coin with the coat of arms, which is it a crowned eagle or just a standard eagle? It's a crowned eagle. It's a 1 gross coin from 2015. On this one you have the coat of arms and the year. Then on the back you have the value of 1 gross plus the 1 oak leaf. The mintage for this coin is 388,560,000. The next coin on here is from Portugal. You have Portugal shield, coat of arms, the year and the country. On the reverse you have a sun design of some sort and 5 escudos, which is the value. So for this 1990 5 escudos, the mintage was 77,977,000. We have one of World Coin Hunt's favourites. It's the 20 centimes from France. This one's dated 1977. It's got Marianne on there, and on the reverse you have the olive branches, the wheat ear, and the year and the value. Oops. This 1977 coin has a mintage of 45,319,000. 3 coins to go in this hunt. The next one is Juan Carlos. The first from 1975. It's a 1 peseta piece. On the reverse, it's from 1975. On the reverse you have the stars, which gives the actual date of 1980. You have the coat of arms and the value. And you also have a mintage of 590 million from the year 1980. It's 1975 on the front and then it's 1980 in the star. Next we have the Russian eagle, double-headed eagle plus the year of 2008. It's a 1 ruble piece from Russia. On the reverse we have the value with a vined flower. There is no mintage for this coin. And the last coin is from Portugal. You have a 2-mast boat and the year on this side. On the other side we have the Portuguese coat of arms and the value of 2.5 escudos. This is a 1983 coin and has a mintage of 62,946,000. Now this I've rebagged and put the notations on it of what hunt it is. When I get time I will flip these coins and put them into the folders and then update my new Mr. page. Until that time comes, they're safe in these bags. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. This year I am trying to grow this channel, so I would love you to like this video and to also subscribe to the channel. I'm hoping I want to get 100 for the 100 subscribers for this year, or possibly even greater. But I need your help with that. It's up to you guys to whether I achieve it or not. Thank you for watching to the end. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching over the next couple of weeks. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, Thank you and ta-ra. Bye bye now. Ta-ra.